Good morning, guys. This is DJI Mic Mini. Super small compact microphones. I'm gonna open it with you and I'm gonna show you how everything looks inside, and then we're gonna test it a little bit at least. So this is the product itself. Take off the foil. Wow! I like opening stuff. It's so enjoyable. So this is the box. Can open this here. Yeah. Okay, we have a nice pouch. We have a foil. We have a little handle here. A little DJI sign on a zip. That cut. Some cables. We have a cable to charge the case, and here we have a jacks to connect the receiver to the camera. Now the product itself. Oh wow, guys, this is super small. Like really, this is super small. It is really small and really lightweight. You're gonna see it first. Yeah, it is discharged, so I'm gonna have to charge it. But overall, if you look at this, the whole set looks absolutely beautiful and it's super small. Look at the microphone itself. Oh my god! So guys, I have an overall small hand, but this is insane how small this is. Oh my god! So we have a really nice, cool looking microphone. We have one light here, we have one light here. Here we have a pairing, power on button. So this is something I really like already. This is the magnet. This is one of the features that I really wanted to have, because right now I'm hanging like a whole microphone on me on some kind of like a stretchy rubber. But this is gonna work like a charm. So you can just take it with you, use any form of t-shirt, put these magnets behind the t-shirt, just clip it nicely, and you are set. So here we have a microphones. Wow, the receiver also is super small. Guys, this is so lightweight. This is absolutely fantastic that you can adjust gain on this little wheel here. Fantastic, it's literally fantastic. This is something that I didn't have ever before, and I really gonna use it. This is how case look like. Inside we also have mobile connector. We are sliding this in and we can plug it to the phone, and we're gonna have audio. So guys, shortly I'm going to Poland, so I'm really happy about this. It's gonna be incredible because we have a plenty of snow out there right now. I hope it's gonna last. I'm gonna be there next month, so it's gonna be like 20 few days until I'm gonna get there. So I very hope we're gonna have still plenty of snow and still gonna have a plenty of fun. This is my actually the best time. Winter time is my best time. It's my favorite. I love it. It is absolutely phenomenal. So I was looking for some kind of microphone that's going to be super small, super compact, that I can just take it with me, charge it right away, because we have this box over here that you can just put this in and it's going to charge the whole set 3.5 times. So I don't have to worry about anything. I don't have to look for kind of outlets. I don't have to look for like power banks to charge it. I just literally put the whole set inside of here and it's going to charge it right away. So this is super convenient. Another thing is that they have noise cancellation. So I'm gonna do a lot of outdoor stuff. I'm gonna, you know, fly a plane. Never ever again, guys, I'm gonna buy ticket when I have 2 switches. I'm gonna, you know, ride a car. I'm gonna, you know, go to the mountains. probably do some also food reviews and all that stuff in Poland, so it's gonna be a lot of noise around me. They have like two options of noise cancellation, so this is also very important for me while I'm traveling. Because this is so small and so easy to use, I can literally put it to my bag and have it with me all the time. Moreover, I can plug it to my camera A7 IV, I can plug it to my phone using the connector, I can plug it to DJI Action 5 Pro. So I realized that we can actually use it. I am outside, and yeah, we can just plug this to the camera and let's see how this actually sounds. Okay guys, I'm out right now and I'm gonna use DJI mic right away. So I just pull this out from the box, transmitter, everything is connected. And yeah, I'm using A7 IV, I'm not using phone, so yeah, we're gonna hear how this performs. Although I see right now that it is keeping the audio level very high all the time. I didn't adjust anything. It's 0 decibels on the receiver, and I didn't change anything here. I didn't even dig to the settings itself yet, so I'm gonna do separate video about this, how everything works. But right now, this is what I see. Really, like, you know, the whole limiter is the audio is all the time on this like highest level. So not like with Rode, it was like fluctuate a little bit from the middle to the top. It is keeping the audio very high, and I don't see any like a yellow or red sign that, you know, we are clipping here. So probably it's activated already, but wow, I'm surprised. Well, we're gonna see, because as I said, I didn't adjust anything, so maybe I gonna use external microphone also to record it, because, you know, I gonna record it and I gonna mess it up and we're gonna have no audio. So okay, if you wanna know what kind of recorder I'm using, this is like a pen recorder from Sony. I'm using this for weddings, podcast, I would say business stuff. TX650, TX660. So this is it, we are rolling. I'm gonna give you links to everything down below, so just go there if you wanna purchase it. I'm gonna help you there. Links below. This case is actually also some form of power bank, actually charging microphones and the receiver. I think it's hold like 48 hours in total, but itself like a microphone is working for around 10 hours, and the receiver that we have on the camera, it's working for like 11 hours. So 10 hours, I would say it's still very satisfying. Really, it's impressive how small this is, how lightweight this is. Now look at this. This looks like a, I don't know, candy, a little candy. It's super cool. It's just like, I cannot believe when I opened it, I couldn't believe that it is so small and so nice. The build quality is insane, of course, like DJI, everything what DJI build is really good quality. They said also that is like 400-meter transmission distance. I cannot believe that, 400 meters for such a small thing. Like, I will put this on and I will go somewhere 400 meters distance. It is insane. We have this gain level that is on the transmitter, so this is very good, because with Rode I didn't have it, and you have this control with just moving a well, so it's super comfortable. The biggest disadvantage here, and this was something I was struggling a little bit at the beginning, is that this doesn't have this 32-bit flow. But what this actually has is this limiter built in, so it's like kind of prevent from clipping the audio. So it's limiting the audio to this like highest level, and it's not gonna let this, you know, audio go above it, so you're not gonna have this clipping. So this is super insane. Second protection is this, that you can record 2 tracks, one regular audio and second track that's gonna be 6 decibel weaker. So if something's happened with this like original audio, right, the normal audio level, you can use the second one. So we have 2 protections. First protection is the clipping limiter, automatic clipping limiter, and second thing is that you have these 2 tracks that you can use if something's gonna happen. That's why I resigned from buying a mic from DJI with the 32-bit flow, because I am safe having these options here, you know, as a protection, and I know that my audio is gonna be recorded properly. Another thing is that I want to mention that not all cameras, if any, actually record 32-bit float. So I just want to tell you, you have to add it later on during like a whole like a post-production process. Here with limiter, 2 tracks, we right away record everything and we are safe, and we can just easily edit this in the post-production. So super cool and super useful. Another nice feature that will prevent from having bad audio is a noise cancellation. So we have 2 options of noise cancellation in this little set. We have a bass and we have a strong one. Both of them, if I think I'm correct, you have to have like a DJI Mimo app, and I'm gonna dig into this. I'm gonna create a separate video about the settings and how to use it when I'm gonna probably be abroad already, or maybe even faster, we will see. But yeah, noise cancellation here right away built in, I think is also a cool idea. Of course, we have a built-in right now noise cancellation in, like, for example, I'm using DaVinci, but probably Premiere and Final Cut, it also has it. But yeah, it's built in here, so I think it's awesome. The beautiful thing also in this is that it is so compact and so useful that really I'm gonna just put to my bag. This is my travel bag. I have everything here what is necessary, and this little thing here like will take no space. Another thing that is very, very important, it's very important that when I'm gonna be outside, I'm not gonna be able to use this big camera all the time. That's why this is another thing that this little device has, this microphone, is that you can connect it directly to the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So you know what, audio quality from DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is really, really good, but you have to be close and environment has to be good to have this like a really nice quality. But with the mic and the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, it is really interesting combo, an interesting idea, and I really am looking forward to using it this way, because you know, most likely I'm gonna move camera in different kind of direction, so I want to have like a good audio. This little microphone, when I'm gonna put it over here somewhere on my chest, I'm gonna record without any issues. Nice audio, great combo, really great combo, great idea. So summarizing it, I did not really expect I'm gonna buy this set. It was literally like, I have the other microphones, wireless microphones, but the whole process of charging and, you know, connecting everything was kind of daunting thing. Whole style of using this is kind of obsolete. I really wanted to have something modern, I really wanted to have something small, and I have to like hang this microphone. So I have like a little like a rubber that I was hanging this Rode microphone on, and I was hanging behind the t-shirt. But right now with this magnetic, you know, magnetic option DJI has, you really have to just put it on your t-shirt and it's gonna stay there. And trust me, this magnet is super strong, that is impossible you're gonna lose it. So really, this DJI Mic Mini is like a combo like no other. Everything is included here. You have a power bank, so this is gonna charge the whole set. You have a noise cancellation. You have a limiter that's gonna prevent from clipping. And this is gonna record 2 tracks, right? Regular audio and a -6 decibel audio. It's super small, it's super compact, so you can, you know, hide it somewhere, and you can connect it to DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, or also DJI Pocket, and recently also with the new DJI drones. So it's getting really crazy. And such a small set for such an incredible price, $169 for this, like the whole set with the high quality audio and so many features. It is insane, and I cannot say enough. DJI nailed it. I didn't check yet the audio, but this what I read from the reviews. It is really, really good, and it's not different from regular mic too. So if this is true, I'm shocked. And for example, if you wanna just connect the microphone to the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, you don't have to buy the whole set. You can just buy this microphone itself that costs 59 or 69 bucks. For this price range, and if you're looking for some kind of microphones, I would say don't look further. Just go, I will give you links down below. You're gonna be definitely satisfied because this thing is so useful that I don't think it's any other brand that creates something like this. So yeah, that will be it, guys. Like and subscribe, stay with me. Links down below to DJI, so support me for this review, and I'm gonna see you in the next ones. Really good work, DJI, good work. We're gonna test it more, but design itself and functions for $169. Wow, they did it, they nailed it. I'm done.
Like and subscribe.